Hi, I'm Naren from Wolfia. Today we're launching the Knowledge Hub. Knowledge Hub is where all your company's knowledge lives. We pull from your website, your documentation, your Slack threads, your past questionnaires, and we keep it synced so your sales, security, and legal teams always have the right answers for customer-facing questions. Today we're adding support for a few more integrations, including Confluence, SharePoint, Notion, Slack, and OneDrive. You connect once and we handle the syncing for you. Another functionality that I want to highlight that our customers love is overrides. Your knowledge base is built from a lot of documents, and sometimes information changes. Your CISO leaves, your data protection officer changes, and usually that means that you're going to have to find information that is scattered across a dozen policies and update all of them. You could go back and update every single document, or with Wolfia, you can add an override. An override tells Wolfia, whenever this question comes up, use this information to answer the question instead of whatever is in your docs. So for instance, here we recently changed our data protection officer to Keith. You can just add that information as an override. Now, every questionnaire that's coming into Wolfia without touching any single document gets the right answer. And here's an example. This is me asking who our data protection officer is before adding the override, and this is after. And as you can see, it's as simple as adding text into your knowledge base. And that's a little bit about how our Knowledge Hub works. Knowledge Hub is now live at wolfia.com. Please check it out and tell us what you think. Thank you.